Now that you have Android Studio ready to go, if you do not have an Android device to test your future new applications, I will show you how to install Android Emulator. To do this, first you have to go to Configure, then AVD Manager. Once you're there, click Create Virtual Device. Choose a phone device to your liking. You can choose anything in here, but for now, we will choose Pixel 2. Click Next. In here, you are required to select a system image. These are the Android operating systems which will be installed in your virtual device. For now, we will go with Android Pie. Accept Google's terms and conditions. Click Next. Then, it will start to download your chosen Android operating system. This might take a while depending on your internet connection. Once it's done, click Next. Here, we will be keeping its default name. Click Finish. And that's it! You now have your own virtual Android device on your Mac. To launch your new Android virtual device, or AVD, go to AVD Manager, and there you will see the device that we have configured a while ago. You just have to press play to run your virtual device. For more information, please visit developer.android.com/studio/intro.